Alright, he's entertaining the live stream, but I can't help but record what I'm doing here. We made some changes. We redid the primary wire, so this is much more stout because we haven't had any problems, but we don't want to have any problems. Additionally, we ran this here. This is a relay, and it is going to power this fan, this electrical fan here, and this is a heat soak fan. It blow through and past everything here to keep heat soak in the summer at the racetrack when you're starting the car, running it hard, and then trying to shut it down. So anyways, I ran the power into here to a toggle switch. I want it to be toggle switch actuated, and we were doing good. We're all the way to here, and all I need to do is plug this sucker. See, look, it's got its own fuse, toggle switch. It's pretty much ready to go under the dash here. I went to feed from the electrical box, and I noticed that the electrical box is horrendous. It's really bad. Look at the rust on those upper terminals. I think you could see. I hope you can see. If you can't see how bad that is, then you're just not trying. So this is the electrical box. We are having problems like the interior light doesn't come on and the dash lights don't come on, and I have a feeling that there is no continuity through some of the contacts in that electrical box. We didn't expect to redo the wiring on this car before our event at the end of the month. But we definitely need to do something about it. I don't even know if I have the time to rewire the dash right now, so maybe we'd do a fix with the Dremel tool, and then we can patch our fan relay in. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you what's going on there. The rest of the car, I like the car. This new seat is looking good. Oh, maybe we'll be able to fix the horn while we're at it there. And maybe we'll have dash lights and stuff like that. No dash pad, but that's okay. And I was talking to a guy next week about maybe coming and replacing the windshield because it's pretty crusty around the edges there. So I don't know. It's going to cost some money. I think it might be a worthwhile investment to get the windshield in here. In order to fix it, I gotta take it apart. So this is in case I don't remember which color wires go where. To see, you could pull the plugs out and get at them to clean them. So this is just so I can see where the wires are. This one's a little burned. I think it's okay. I think maybe I'll put some shrink wrap on it. But otherwise, I think I'm just gonna clean them all and put them back in. It's kind of tedious, but it's still going to be easier than rewiring the car at this moment. Alright, so a couple of little bladed screwdrivers and some hemostats and some, you know, all the tools. And what we were able to do is squeeze these. What you do is you put a screwdriver down in beside, and you squeeze these little retainers out, right? And then you can push them back, and now we can get the cleaning brush in there, clean them out real good, and then plug everything back in, and hopefully we'll get it in the right places, and that will give us more service life out of them. I mean, they're not too bad, and I took pictures before I put it apart, so I might be able to get them back. These ones here, the doubles, those are really tough because you need like 4 screwdrivers and 3 hands, and you have to stand on your head while you're working, and then you need to burn your hair with your spotlight. So it's a fun time, but we'll be able to have, you know, power, lights, those kinds of things. They're useful in cars. So we're gonna get it going again, and he's over there live streaming. Say hi to the video.
Hello.
Bucto Campo's over there live streaming in the rebuilt studio out in the garage.
We're I don't know where you are, but I can hear you.
They're supporting us in spirit, and we're getting the dart, getting our hands dirty tonight. Okay, it's not easy, but you can kind of see. I used some sandpaper and a little file and a thing. But the most satisfying part, is when you put them in. They've got these little tangs on the side. Through. Push, 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 push. It'll go click, and then you know it's in. Come on. Okay, the important part is the little click at the end. Come on. Yeah. Listen for the sound of the click. There it goes. So now it's ready. Now it's ready. Clean up the fuse and it'll go in there. And all of these, I think these were missing originally. There's only one more wire, so there can't be too much left to go. And then we'll be golden. Very good. I'm starting the video. I got the fuse panel in there. Okay. And now that the fuse panel is in there, we are going to do the smoke test. Not the smoke test, the fire, the burn, the test for bad things. Put this on here, and we're gonna, maybe we have a dome light. Wouldn't that be cool if we had a dome light in the car? Let's check it out. Do we have anything? Well, we got the electrical light, still no dome light. What do we got? Do we have fanage? Nothing. What the heck is going on? Nothing yet. I thought I had it. I thought things were going better now.
Kim, I have a suggestion.
What's the
You
suggestion?
have a second fuse holder on that fan. Does it have a fuse in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of fuses. All right. Well, still nothing. Time to get the electrical meter and see what the hell is going on. Did I hook that fan? I think I maybe hooked that fan to keyed power like a dummy.
What? Oh, so you have to turn the key on? That's bad.
Yeah, that's the opposite of what I wanted, but I can fix that if that's what's.
I bet that's what happened.
If that's what's wrong, we can fix that. We have the keys. Let's see if we can make it go. I'm gonna turn you around. All right. Key goes in like this in the old Mopar. And we've got an oil light. Okay, well, we have power. Do we have headlights?
No headlights.
No headlights. Wipers? Nothing.
No headlights.
What did I do? Some of this stuff probably worked before. Oh, well, I gotta turn the key on for headlights.
You have fan now.
I have fan edge. Okay, this is hooked to the wrong thing. Oh, I got a turn signal. I got no dash lights. Why?
Right turn. Left turn.
What do I gotta do to get the lights to come on? What the? Maybe I didn't connect everything because I did have the dash out. Man, well, a little better. At least not all rusty. The problem with the...
Hold on, I'm looking the wrong way. I was looking at me. So Kim was upside down in the car, under the dash, messing with the fuse block.
I'll figure it out. Fuses are good now. Okay. I cannot reach because my arm is the wrong shape. It does not
Your arm
pivot.
is the wrong shape?
It doesn't articulate in that direction.
Those people that designed this Dodge Dart didn't consider your arm.
They did not consider my arm articulation problems. This is definitely a challenge.
Okay, that is extremely bright.
Oh, okay.
And
But I
extremely
found
bright.
what's wrong. The problem is that this switch here,
Yeah?
it's not plugged in to the harness.
Oh, it's not plugged into the harness?
Nah.
Yeah. Not having the switch plugged in is a problem.
Another night, it's a Thursday night. I disassembled the electrical fuse, old style fuse panel, cleaned it out, put it back together, wired up the auxiliary electric fan for the radiator, and now everything seems to be. Oh, and I found the reason that the headlights and marker lights and stuff weren't working and dash lights weren't working is because the switch was not plugged in behind the dash, because I had the dash out earlier. So anyways, that's where we're at.
We gotta change the rear end
The
oil,
fluid in the rear end.
Fluid in the rear end.
Okay.
And we have that fluid.
Yes, we do.
So
it's on the shelf right there.
It's just a matter of doing it.
We have to put the lights in for the license plate lights.
The license plate light is not attached.
And there's no
but
dome
it's
light,
fixed.
and I have no idea what to do to make it work. I don't even know where to
Take a flashlight with
search.
you. All right, for Dean, we take a torch with us.
We need a torch.
And
That'll
then,
work. Yeah.
and then,
yeah, just do that.
And then
So we're real close.
what we really need to do is get some flight testing time on this.
Flight testing. You know what? We got invited. Our friend John invited us. There's a swap meet up in Clarksville on Saturday morning. You think we can try to do that?
Like everything or cars?
Cars. Yeah.
Where is it? You can tell me later.
Right up where the Hooters is. Right where that other car show was the other day.
It's easy to get to there.
It's a big
Hooters.
parking lot. All right, we're gonna end this video. Thank you for watching. We're gonna have more on the Dart real soon. I hope you enjoyed seeing our progress. Late night around 10 p.m. Central Time. We have been doing a lot of lives from the shop, so stop in and say hello if you're seeing that, and thanks for watching.